Hello everyone! Welcome to my mini vlog. And for today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang isa sa pinakamagandang museums dito sa Qatar. And if you are a car lover, you better watch the video till the end. And everyone, welcome to FBQ Museum. This museum is a 30-minute drive from the city center of Doha. Medyo malayo-layo but it's worth driving. At alam nyo ba, this museum has 30,000 collections of unique stuff such as weapons, jewelries, artifacts, clothes, carpets, at kung ano-ano pa. Meron din silang eroplano at helicopter. At meron din silang ships or also known as dhow. At ang main event ng museum na ito is ang 300 vintage cars. Grabe, ang dami nila. At ang gaganda pa. Hindi ako marunong when it comes to cars but then sobrang na-amaze ako sa mga cars dito. Yung